very good morning to one and all present here. As we have gathered here today for the inaugural function of the new parenteral facility of Acme Pharmaceuticals Private Limited, I, Pavni Patel, heartily welcome you all for the same. I am not qualified enough to speak in front of all the dignitaries of the pharma industry present here, but it's a proud father's confidence that gives me this opportunity, and I hope to give justice to the job entrusted to me. Today, we have with us Shri Pankaj Patel Sir, Chairman, Cadila Healthcare Private Limited, Zydus Group, as our chief guest, Shri Ketan Patel Sir, Chairman, Troika Laboratories Private Limited, and Dr. Koshia, Commissioner, FDCA Gujarat, as our guests of honor. On behalf of the entire Acme Group, I would like to thank our guests today for sparing their valuable time and glorifying this occasion with their esteemed presence. It is truly an honor to have you here. I shall now request the dignitaries to kindly occupy the dais. As our culture says, every auspicious event should always begin by remembering God. And so I would like the dignitaries to please proceed towards lighting of the lamp. Words aren't enough to describe his love for the pharma industry and his never-ending enthusiasm even at this age. With this, I would like to request the man behind Acme's existence, and to my great fortune, my existence as well, my father, Mr. D.K. Patel, to come and give the welcome address.
Respected Pankaj Bhai Patel, Chairman, Cadila Healthcare Limited, Zydus Group, Sri Ketan Bhai Patel, Chairman, Troika Laboratories, Dr. H.G. Koshia, Commissioner, Gujarat FDCA, and my dear guest. A very good morning to one and all present here. I heartily welcome all of you today to be a part of joyous occasion of inaugural function of our new parental facility here at Acme Pharmaceuticals Private Limited. I would like to take this opportunity to express my deep gratitude towards our chief guest for today, Sri Pankaj Bhai Patel, and guest of honor Ketan Bhai Patel and Dr. Koshia for gracing this occasion with their esteemed presence. No words or superlatives will be enough to describe how Pankaj Bhai has been a true guide and mentor to me in my entire career. I was fortunate enough to meet him for the first time around 1980, and since then our relation have gone from strength to strength, both on professional and personal front. Pankaj Bhai has been kind enough to oblige me in many ways during my difficult times. He always motivated me to do my best, and nothing can repay his favor towards me in this life. Throughout my relationship with Pankaj Bhai, he has shown a tremendous amount of faith in my ability in business matters, and I hope I have come through in his expectation. I enjoy this trust and take great pride in executing the responsibility entrusted to me. Pankaj Bhai is the most successful person of Gujarat today. His illustrious career is a saga of vision, leadership and dynamism. Today he is the proud owner of the fourth largest pharmaceutical company of India, Cadila Healthcare Limited. And it is very fortunate for the entire group, Acme Group, to have such a reputable personality to grace the occasion of inaugural function. Thank you very much for sparing time from your busy schedule and spending some quality moment with us. Pankaj Bhai is always brimming with energy and generosity. The recently started Zydus Hospital is a living example of this social responsibility and generosity. He has always told me that, DK, આપણને જે સમાજે આટલું બધું આપેલ છે તે સમાજને કંઈક આપે પાછું આપવાની મારી જવાબદારી છે. And with this view, Pankaj Bhai has always envisioned the specialty hospital, Zydus Hospital. અને મારે ના કહેવું જોઈએ તો છતાં કહું કે પંકજભાઈનું ઝાયડસ હોસ્પિટલમાં જે વિઝન છે એ કદાચ બધા કોમર્શિયલ આસ્પેક્ટ જોતા હોય છે. હોસ્પિટલો જ્યારે ચાલુ કરતા હોય ત્યારે જ્યારે મારે ને એમને વાત થાય ત્યારે એમાં ક્યાંય પ્રોફિટની વાત આવતી નહોતી. અને હી ઓલવેઝ ટેલિંગ મી કે ડીકે આપણે સમાજને બધું પાછું આપવું જ છે, સરસ રીતે પાછું આપવું છે. Gracing this occasion is always my dear friend Ketan Bhai, the mastermind behind Dynapar AQ. Dynapar is the first 75 mg per ml injection of diclofenac sodium, and the contribution of Troika Laboratory towards this novel innovation is commendable. We are honored that Ketan Bhai has decided to transfer such a premium brand of Troika Laboratory at this site. We thank you for the same. Ketan Bhai has always given me his friendly and invaluable advice at different junctions of my career. I thank you for enhancing the glory of this occasion with your presence, Ketan Bhai. I would also like to welcome Dr. Koshia today, the Commissioner Gujarat FDCA. Gujarat FDCA has been one of the most proactive departments in the state and also a role model for other states to emulate. We have witnessed many positive and revolutionary changes during the tenure of Dr. Koshia. We hope that in coming times, the newly framed policy would further ease out the licensing process. Thank you very much, sir, of being the part of our celebration. Without taking much time of yours, I would like to wrap up this welcome address by throwing some light on this dream of mine for which all of you are present here. I had the vision of starting a new project. After a lot of deliberation, I decided to come up with the injection manufacturing facility. The idea was to have a quality and state-of-art infrastructure in the state of Gujarat. I have thoroughly enjoyed building up this facility from scratch with the help of Dr. Ashish, Dr. Sneha, Jawal, Prashant Kumar and Neeraj and other team members of ACME. The entire journey has been a wonderful experience and I wish to continue learning for many more years with the help from my dynamic team at APPL. It is their endeavor that turned my dream into a reality. I hereby welcome all of you to be a part of this celebration and with your warm wishes and heartiest blessing, we wish to begin our journey of success. Thank you very much and good day and નવા વર્ષના 2016ના આપ સૌને નૂતન વર્ષ અભિનંદન.
I would now like to call upon Dr. Sneha Belapure, Director APPL, to welcome Pankaj Patel sir with a floral greeting. Next, I would like to call upon Mr. Jawal Patel, Director APPL, to welcome Ketan Patel sir with a floral greeting. Lastly, I myself would like to welcome Dr. Koshia with a floral greeting. I was fortunate enough to pen down his inspiring thoughts on Imagine and Innovate as part of my college magazine, and his profound importance on thinking out of the box continues to motivate students like me. And with this, I request Ketan Patel sir to kindly address the audience.
Pankaj Bhai, D.K. Patel, Dr. Koshia, Ashish, and the entire team of ACME. Like Pankaj Bhai said, when we moved around the plant, there was a feeling of aha, because these kind of plants are not really common. India is indeed the pharmacy to the world, but we do have a long way to go. There are all kinds of plants, and many of them, if you visit, you would realize that there's a tremendous compromise. But out here you see a plant which is, I would say, flawless. I have known D.K. Patel for so many years, and having seen the plant, I feel it's a testimony to what a person can achieve through relentless hard work, passion, ethics, interpersonal relationships. He's a combination of all these, and therefore this plant, I have no doubt, has to do well. The best part is the team that is going to support this plant. We have a lot of contract manufacturers. In fact, pharmaceutical industry is considered to be a gold mine, and people who are not in the industry, they erroneously presume that you can make 100 rupees out of a 10 rupee investment in this business, which is absolutely wrong. Even today when we meet our friends, they say, "Tamare શું વાંધો છે, 10 રૂપિયાના 100 લઈ લેવાના છે." They don't know the kind of agony that goes into this industry. And that is where this team will, I think, come in very strong. Most of the contract manufacturers are people who had money. પૈસા છે તો પ્લાન્ટ બનાવી દો, પછી contract manufacturing શોધીશું. They don't have a technical team to support the plant, which is like the hardware. The team is the software. Here I see that the hardware is flawless and the software is also very well qualified. Ashish and Sneha, both of them have a passion for perfection, which is evident, and they also have a deep knowledge of science. And I'm sure that this will inspire and motivate them to keep up the high levels that they have chosen to adopt today. We are very reluctant to transfer our technology for a innovative product to any contract manufacturer. All along we have been manufacturing the product. But when DK approached us, the kind of image he has cut out for himself, we had no qualms or any hassles to transfer the product to this site. So our stake is there in this plant, and we do wish and hope that the plant does exceedingly well, and like Pankaj Bhai said, keep maintaining the plant. That is something which is really a cost addition, but something which is necessary if you want to keep the flag of India flying high as the pharmacy to the world. I wish the entire the ACME family, DK Patel, Ashish, and everybody else in the team all the best, and wish you all the best for a greater expansion in the future, for which you already have secured adequate land. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Acme Pharmaceuticals Private Limited, redefining the degree of perfection.